Welcome to Rainy Day Foods Buttermilk Powder Mix. Buttermilk powder is a baker's secret. It can be added to so many different things, whether it is other baked goods or cooked items. It's great to have on hand when you want to make a vegetable dip. It's great for making frosting richer and pancakes and biscuits more flavorful. Buttermilk powder is great to use for making fried chicken. And it's great to add to cookie recipes or even homemade gravies. This is really a must-have. Today we're going to show you the basics of making up a cup's worth of buttermilk. You're going to take 1 cup cold water, and then you're going to incorporate 3 to 4 tablespoons of the powder. Mix it well, and there you have it. You've got just a little bit over 1 cup of buttermilk. This mix may be mixed up in a blender and allowed to stand overnight. Just remember that once water has been added, you should treat it like normal buttermilk. Put it in the fridge and let it sit there whenever you're not using it. Next, I wanted to show the texture of the powder, just to give you an idea. People are always curious about that. We want to thank you for taking time to watch this video and learn about our buttermilk powder mix. Please visit www.rainydayfoods.com to buy this product and many other products. You can check out all the different things we carry in our online store. And just remember that food storage is for every day, not just rainy days. Thank you.